Alright guys, I'm not going to be here today or tomorrow, but that doesn't mean you need to stop learning. So I'm still going to try to get you through these math lessons even when I'm not here. So you're still going to be expected to do the work. Now yesterday, Wednesday, we would have started talking about mixed numbers and improper fractions. And today I'm just going to go through the lesson and show you how to do today's lesson. I'm just going to play the video through so you can listen to it. And while I'm recording this, remember you can play this video as many times as you want to see if you missed something.
How can you model addition of mixed numbers? Jill has 2 boards she will use to make picture frames. What is the total length of the boards Jill has to make picture frames? What operation can be used to find the total length of the boards? Add the length of each board to find the total length of the boards. Model the addends and fractional parts. First, add the fractional parts of the mixed numbers. Rename 13/12 as 1 and 1/12. Now, add the whole numbers, including the renamed fraction. So, 2 and 3/12 plus 1 and 10/12 equals 4 and 1/12. The total length of the boards is 4 and 1/12 feet.
Alright, as you can see, that was pretty simple. So let me do some examples for you because it can seem confusing. This is not a completely easy lesson. Now I'm going to show you a couple tricks that helped my students a lot last year. If this board will load, I'll tell you what, I'll just make up some own problems. Now let's say we'll just do simple. 3 and 1/4 plus 2 and 1/4. Now first it said add up the fractions. Alright, 1 plus 1 is what? Yes, good job Meredith. 2. And then you add the whole numbers, or they call them the add-ins. What's 3 plus 2? 5. It's that simple. Now, the tricky part comes with the next question. If we have something like they gave us an example, 4 and 3/4 plus 2 and 3/4, it's going to get a little bit sketchy here because we have 2 pretty big fractions. Now we add them together. What is 3 plus 3? That would give us 6/4. Now we can't leave a fraction like that. This is called an improper fraction. We cannot leave the answer like this. So what you're going to do is divide. We have 6 here, 4 here. The denominator is what you're dividing by, okay? So you ask yourself, how many times can 4 go into 6? You'd say 1 time. 4 times 1 is 4. We subtract, and then we have 2. There's nothing to bring down, so we're done. So this number here at the top, that is your whole number. So you're going to write 1. This number here is your numerator. You write 2, and this number here, again, is your denominator. That stays the same. So now we have 6/4 equals 1 and 2/4. But we still have to add the whole numbers up here. And what is 4 plus 2? That is 6. So we have 6 plus 1 and 2/4. So that will give us 7 and 2/4. Now I know that's confusing. You can replay this part as many times as you want, but I'll do one more example. So we have 5 and 3/10 plus 2 and 9/10. Alright, so we have 3 plus 9. That gives us 12 over 10. Can't leave it like that. That's an improper fraction. So you have to do 12 divided by 10. How many times can 10 go into 12? That's 1. We subtract 10. We're left with 2. Remember, this is your whole number. So that's going to be 1. This is your numerator. That's going to be 2. And this is your denominator. That is 10. So that's what this equals. 1 and 2/10 equals 12/10. But remember, we have to add the whole numbers. What is 5 plus 2? That is 7. What is 7 plus 1? That's 8 and 2/10. That's all you do. Right here. I hope this helped you. If it didn't, just replay it. You can replay it as many times as you want. I'll have this video and a Khan Academy video attached to it for you to go by. I'm not going to be here Thursday or Friday, so watch this as many times as you want because you will be expected to know how to do this and you will still be expected to complete the work. All right? Hope you guys have a good day. Take care.